people.
Hi, I'm Kareen.
And I'm Betsy. And today we're joined by a special guest, our lovely brother Rossi. And we'd like to welcome you all to the Queenery!
Vacationing is a good way to escape from all the craziness that might be going on in your everyday life. I don't know about you, but when I vacation, I like to do it comfortably. If you want to find out how I made these incredibly comfortable biker shorts that are perfect for hiking or just everyday style, then please stay tuned. Here's what you'll need. Find where your front crotch seam meets your back crotch seam and fold your pants in half at that point. This will give you the pattern for your front of your shorts. Next, lay your pants over your pattern paper to begin tracing. I ended up using a lighter paper than this brown one because it's easier to cut fabric with. If you're using long pants to trace your pattern like me, fold the leg up to your desired length and trace the entirety of your pants. Repeat the same steps you did with the front and find your back crotch seam and trace that out as well. Be sure to true up your lines with the ruler so that they are crisp, and add a 1/2 inch seam allowance around your entire pattern. To create the pattern for your waistband, you'll need to take both the front waist measurement and the back waist measurement of your pant patterns. To create the front waistband, draw a vertical line with your ruler. Determine the width of the waistband that you want to have. I ended up making mine 2 inches wide, but you can make yours more narrow or wider depending on the style you want. Draw a perpendicular line from that original line, the length of your pant waist measurement. Drop 2 inches down in my case, or whatever the width of your waistband, and draw another perpendicular line that same length. Repeat the same steps to create the back waistband. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name
patience, please, and make then take a break or a little vacation and change.
Now it's time to cut from your fabric. The fabric you choose should have a similar stretch to the shorts or the pants that you use to create your pattern.
Soak in the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me.
The fabric that I ended up using was a two-way stretch fabric, meaning that it only has stretch in one direction. So I deliberately chose pants that had the same type of stretch. Otherwise, your final product can end up being too small or too big if you don't have these match up properly. Now you want to fold your fabric in half, wrong sides together. Make sure the sides line up so that your fabric is folded evenly.
Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place of
Lay your patterns down in the direction that you want the stretch to be in the most and begin to cut.
wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
You want to make sure your fabric is right sides together now so you can begin sewing. You're gonna want to sew your two front pant legs to your two back pant legs. So there should be two seams on each leg, the side and the inside, and you're sewing those together front to back, not front to front and back to back. It's front to back. I ended up using my serger to sew this since it was a stretch fabric, but you could use a regular machine. Just make sure you do a zigzag stitch to account for the stretch. Once you have your side seam sewn, you're going to want to turn one of your pant legs inside out, and now we can begin to sew the crotch. The best way I know to do this is to take the pant leg that you've put inside out and tuck it inside of the pant leg that still has the right sides together. And that way you can match up the seams from the waist all the way around to the other side of the back waist. You're now going to want to sew this seam all around from front to back. Sew your waistband on all along the top with a straight stitch and turn the bottom of your pants under and hem if you want to, or you could leave it raw if you're using a stretch fabric like I am. The preference is yours. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned to see clips of our family vacation where I put these shorts to good use. We had such a blast. See you next time.
Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do.
Hi, Betsy. When you edit this, you'll see me. All right, how do you turn this off?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.
Gotta get